Welcome to RoboJoy Kids World Channel. Hello together.
Bath time, come along.
And bath time, hip hooray! We're getting clean today. Quack, quack, little duck, floating slowly in the tub.
One duck here.
One duck there. Johnny and Peter laugh and stare.
Quack, quack. Splash and play.
Splash, splash, splash around, water dancing up and down.
Splash to the left, splash to the right. Bath time fun feels just right. Bubble crown upon my head. Look at me, the king. Bubble king, bubble queen, cleanest kids you've ever.
Wrap, wrap, wrap up tight. Cozy towels feel just right.
Yeah.
Yellow towel, green towel too. Dad gives hugs to both of you. And then the tiny fish, with all its might, jumped.
Whoa, he jumped?
Yes, so high, it touched the moon.
Soft pillow, cozy bed, time to...
Stars above are shining bright, twinkling softly through the night. Dad reads stories. Good night, Johnny. Good night, Peter. Sleep gets sweeter and sweeter.
Good night, dreaming softly, nice and slow.
See you in the next video.
3. Sleep so peacefully. Bye bye.